and southern winds.
The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Windsor County,
Oh, that's for me.
Vermont, Orange County and central Vermont,
Marika went off.
southern Washington County and central Vermont, east central Addison County and central Vermont
jeez.
until 7:30 p.m.
Oh.
At 6:29 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near exit 5 by 89, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Brookfield, Washington, Chelsea, East Randolph, Tuggbridge, Waits River, Stratford, Berkshire, West Fairleigh, Sharon, Bedford Hill State Park. This severe thunderstorm is also producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Get to safety immediately when threatening weather approaches. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Large hail may cause injury and damage property. Very heavy rain will also occur with this severe thunderstorm, which could flood low-lying areas quickly and cover roads with water. Do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight Thursday morning for northern New York and western Vermont. Now the official National Weather Service forecast for the Champlain.
No.
To safety immediately when threatening weather approaches. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Large hail may cause injury and damage property. Very heavy rain will also occur with this severe thunderstorm, which could flood low-lying areas quickly and cover roads with water. Do not drive in areas where water covers the road. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight Thursday morning for northern New York and western Vermont. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Vermont, Addison, and Windsor.